Timex just did it again. Less than a month after launching its high-end sub-brand Timex Atelier, the American giant is already back, and this time it's better than ever. After impressing collectors with the marine M1a diver, Timex has introduced its second masterpiece, the Atelier GMT24 M1a, a stunning new travel watch that might just be the best Timex ever made. The GMT24 M1a shares the same DNA as the marine M1a, that same beautifully sculpted stainless steel case with hollowed-out crown guards and skeletonized sides, revealing a sleek, black IP-coated mid-case. But there's refinement here. The case has been slightly downsized to 40 millimeters and slimmed down to 12.7 millimeters, giving it an even more elegant wrist presence. It comes with both a stainless steel bracelet and a black rubber strap, both featuring Timex's unique quick-release and tool-free adjustment system, proof that function meets form beautifully. The dial remains pure Atelier, a black enamel base, brushed steel ring, and raised indices filled with superluminova. But now there's a new hand in the mix, a bright orange GMT hand tracking a second time zone with precision. Everything, from the hour markers to the GMT scale, glows beautifully in the dark. The biggest aesthetic change? A fully loomed internal 24-hour bezel tucked neatly under a box-shaped sapphire crystal. It's bold, modern, and distinctly Timex. Inside, Timex once again surprises us, this time with a Swiss-made Landeron Caliber 24 automatic movement. It's a caller GMT, meaning the 24-hour hand is independently adjustable. You'll also find 28 joules, a 40-hour power reserve, and a level of finishing, perlage and blued screws that you rarely see in a Timex. Flip it over, and through the exhibition caseback, you'll see why this piece isn't just a travel watch. It's a statement of how far Timex has come. Priced at $1,350 on rubber and $1,450 on the bracelet, the Timex Atelier GMT24 M1a is more than a watch. It's proof that Timex can play in the luxury arena and win. It's refined, original, and utterly beautiful, the best travel watch Timex has ever made. If you thought you knew Timex, think again. This is Timex, redefined.